Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah played a pivotal role in the creation of Pakistan. While it is difficult to narrow down his accomplishments to just 10, here are 10 significant contributions he made. One, leadership and vision. Jinnah provided exceptional leadership and a clear vision for the creation of a separate nation for Muslims in British India. 2, founder of Pakistan. Jinnah is widely regarded as the founder of Pakistan. He relentlessly advocated for the rights of Muslims and successfully led the movement for an independent Muslim state. 3, negotiations with the British. Jinnah skillfully negotiated with the British government and other political parties to secure the rights and interests of Muslims in the Indian subcontinent during the crucial phase of partition. For formation of the Muslim League, Jinnah played a vital role in organizing and revitalizing the All India Muslim League, transforming it into a political force that championed the cause of Muslim rights. 5, Lahore Resolution. Jinnah presented the historic Lahore Resolution in 1940, which demanded the creation of an independent Muslim state in the regions where Muslims were a majority. 6, legal and constitutional expertise. Jinnah's legal expertise and constitutional knowledge were instrumental in shaping the political and legal framework of Pakistan. He was actively involved in drafting the Government of India Act 1935, which served as the basis for Pakistan's constitutional dev. Seven, unity of Muslims. Jinnah tirelessly worked to unite the diverse Muslim population across different regions of British India under the banner of the Muslim League, fostering a sense of solidarity and common purpose. 8, Direct Action Day. In response to the worsening communal situation in Calcutta, now Kolkata, in 1946, Jinnah called for a nationwide strike, known as Direct Action Day, to protest against the denial of Muslim rights. This event marked a turning point in the demand for Pakistan's representation of Muslim interests. Jinnah skillfully represented the interests of Muslims in various political forums, ensuring that their concerns and aspirations were heard and addressed. 10, advocate for equality and minority rights. Jinnah strongly believed in equal rights for all citizens of Pakistan, regardless of their religion or background. He emphasized the protection of minority rights, ensuring that Pakistan would be a state where all individuals could live with dignity and freedom. Last thing, these are just a few of the notable contributions made by Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah in the creation of Pakistan. His unwavering commitment and tireless efforts were instrumental in establishing Pakistan as an independent nation for Muslims in the Indian subcontinent.